I like to put stuff online.
Well, the earnings report just came out for LKNCY, known as Lucky Coffee, and they did very well. They had a 47.1 year increase. They also have increased their amount of stores that they had. If you can see in this new here, they had new stores opening all around the world. They have a record high of 91.7 million, representing 31.6% year over year increase. The same store sales growth for self operating stores. So that means that their current stores that they're currently operating in is already high, and then it keeps on advancing. That customers like the product. That's what that means. When you see something like that, same store sales growth for self operating stores, that just means that it's people are going there. They don't have to keep shutting stores down. That means that when you have that, it shows that you got something good there. That's a good thing. Store level operating profit has increased. That's the same thing I was just alluding to you guys earlier. Revenue through partnerships has increased substantially, 55%. GAAP, which is very important. Well, actually, it's not important because that's general associated accounting principles. But their GAAP operating margin increased from 13.8 from 12.5. That 1.3% increase. He says the owner and CEO says the execution of scale-driven strategy. One second, I'm going to mute this. All right, second. Ready, Eli? Here we go. The owner and CEO said our focused execution of our scale-driven strategy accelerated revenue growth and improved operating margins in the second quarter. Their main thing is starting new stores, getting this product out to a bigger, wider audience, and they're really doing it. What I like about this one is that they have look at their market cap; it's billions. Sucker has been out for a while, and it's not really talked about. Market share from Starbucks, yes, this company could take market share from Starbucks. This could be the new big dog in town. And what do I see this going to? I see this going to about $48 per share to $52 per share. They're currently operating with the shares float at 266 million, meaning that it's not based on the market cap and the shares float. This could definitely hit 50s, 60s, 70s. The float is not bad compared to its market cap. The average volume is 2 million, so that will increase with more eyes. Yeah, I have one. It's the EMA 20. If I do on the monthly, this monthly looks great. I would keep your eyes on this one, guys. I know a lot of people don't really seem to be talking about this one. I know this one's kind of like coffee, but keep your eye on it. This one, they're going to be opening more and more stores. They have more and more revenue coming in, so check it out. Subscribe to the YouTube, show some love. I jumped right out of bed. I stayed up all night making content, trying to find some really killers. Now I'm gonna be alerting on the Discord and making but show some love on this YouTube, guys. All right, love you guys.